Hi everyone, Kat here. Ooh, look at here guys. I'm frying up some fresh ginger. Ginger that I sliced and then smashed up with using a meat tenderizer to little pieces like this. And battered it with some tempura flour. Seasoned it with some chicken bouillon seasoning. And an egg, and then just deep fry until golden crispy, guys. If you love ginger, try this. You're gonna love it. It's delicious. So just fry it up till it's golden crispy, just like this. Look at that. Okay. Voila! Deep fried ginger. Deep fried, battered and deep fried ginger. Very easy to do. So just slice up your fresh gingers. Use a, let's see, this thing here. This is a meat tenderizer. Just pound it up a little bit to bring out the aroma. And then you just batter it with some of the tempura and some egg, some chicken bouillon seasoning, and deep fried. Delicious. Look at this. You can eat it by itself just like that as a snack or with rice. It's good. Give it a try, you guys. Thanks for watching.